Oh wait, that's a Fire Emblem account.
Oh?
What is it?
Oh, in the Twitch chat, Estelle is a good unit.
Where?
They just
Whoa.
commented, "Can I play?"
Let me look. I gotta see this. Who's Estelle? That's a Tear Ring Saga character.
Bro's not even watching the stream. Look at this listening only icon.
Can Estelle is a good unit join
is?
the Invitational? Can they be in Summit?
Next time.
Alright.
Estelle, if you want to be around in 5 months in February when we hold it again, I would be more than happy to invite you. But no live playing today.
Pika doesn't invite anybody. Alright, this is a special offer. Right?
Yeah. This isn't. I specifically restrict it against having, you know, quote unquote good players. AKA everyone that makes it to Summit. Yeah, this opportunity is
Multiple times in a lifetime, but you happen to be here. Right?
yeah, multiple times in a lifetime, but you know, only twice in a year.
Yeah.
You know, very few lifetimes that regularly and like consistently get to experience this in the first place. So, you know. There's been... Oh, it's raining outside! Oh, that's so nice! I love it when it's raining outside. I'm gonna open up my window.
Real?
Oh, it's like raining.
Is the devil beating his wife, or is it cloudy?
The sun is out, but it is cloudy. I don't know what that means.
Do the Southerners have a term for that?
When the sun is out, and it's raining. It's a sun shower. Are there any sayings? Oh, that is the saying that you use for that, when it's raining while sunny.
Yeah.
So the devil is beating his wife. That's awesome.
Okay. That's the most southern thing I've heard all day.
Shouts to Tony. Scribe, have you ever had Arnold Palmer?
I've had iced tea with lemonade, yeah.
Nice. Good to know.
Oh, sorry, I love my name was Red and immediately assumed it was Fire Emblem related.
Tear Saga is like the same creator. Alright, it's in the ballpark.
The profile picture is Fire Emblem. It's not like an official Fire Emblem. It's like, it looks like friggin', I don't know, some character, but like not an official. It's like a fan game ROM hack character.
I would have assumed it was a ROM hack, yes.
Yeah. Which, on that topic, make more Fire Emblem fan games that aren't just ROM hacks, please.
There is a shortage of that.
There's a major shortage of that.
No. ROM hack.
Okay, thank you.
So Crom becomes a hacker? Okay,
Like,
that would
even-
actually be fire as like a visual novel or some crap. Like a bunch of mini games where like Crom has to like it's basically WarioWare.
Mission complete.
Just like
Yeah.
Crom
Oh,
suddenly
that's from Genealogy to Holy War. Oh, I see it now.
oh, like the character?
Yeah, Tine, it's recolored.
Oh. In the GBA
Style, yes.
yeah.
But on the topic, yes, anything but a ROM hack, even if it's like a Slide 15 puzzle or like a dating sim, just anything, just put Fire Emblem on it.
We need a dating sim. Fire Emblem was made to have a dating sim.
Yes, and the fact that it doesn't.
Yeah.
Fire
is a major shame.
Fire Emblem does have a dating sim. It's called Fire Emblem.
No, but like a fan game. Like, who gives a rat
And-
about like Violet's relationship, bro?
Real.
Oh, dude, like a dedicated visual novel, that'd be hype. Yes.
Yeah. Bro, you get to play as friggin', I don't know, Costas, the bandit. Who like shows up in like the first 2 chapters of the game.
Nah, I'll stick to my Moe games.
Moai? You mean like the Easter Island heads?
No, I mean like fucking.
I know what Moe is as a term.
I know about Moes.
IMO play Katawa Shoujo.
I have a terrible story to tell about Moe's. The one time that I went there and I spent $20 on nachos.
Oh.
That was this summer. And I really could have, like, not spent that much. But I don't know why I was so inept at ordering. I just ended up spending 20 bucks. It's like tacos are like $3 or $4 each there. Like, I could have easily gotten, like, 5 tacos or something for that price. I don't know.
Jack in the Box tacos, 2 for 99 cents. I just get like 20 of them and eat all of them.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
I would also order an absurd amount of dollar cheeseburgers from McDonald's and finish those.
Are you addicted to buying unbelievably expensive custom helicopters?
No, not you.
I don't know what these two are talking about.
There's like a Jay-Z like parody where he's like Jay-Z helicopter addict. It's the song, or it's like a parody, but it's called Helicopter Addict, and it's about how he's addicted to buying unbelievably expensive custom helicopters. Yeah, the lyrics are, I'm addicted to buying unbelievably expensive custom helicopters. Yeah! In a brief moment of lucidity, I went to the helicopter dealership and told them, do not under any circumstances sell me more helicopters. I was back there half an hour later, wearing a fake mustache, and I said, hello gentlemen, I am Ray Z, a man you have never met before. Give me 10,000 helicopters covered in diamonds. That's the entire song.
Yeah, another staple of fan games besides visual novels are platformers. Have like a nice
yeah, need a Fire Emblem platformer. Literally
hack
just
and
reskin
slash
Mario.
platformer. Like that's awesome.
Fire Emblem Warriors World.
Also, I've just noticed that CrimsonTanooki's probably using a modded character. Bro's eyes
Yeah.
Also,
green.
Yeah, that is a modded color.
Get him
far as
out of
I'm
here.
Get him out of here. I think Requiem and Asta Livery are also using modded colors too.
Are they not the same player?
No, they're different.
Oh,
Requiem is like the new player who like he played Link and now he plays like Meta Knight and Sora. Asta Livery is that guy who played Naruto in the 5v5 league. But now he plays Falcon.
I know
or
about
something?
Asta Livery.
Yeah.
He was on the screen when I was ranting at Monty about how he threw week 7.
Yeah.
what's your
I think-
feelings on Roblox Fire Emblem
No.
and on the Roblox engine? Oh no,
I'm gonna go on Roblox right now and look for Fire Emblem.
You lost
actually,
me.
I haven't
You lost me
been
at Roblox.
on Roblox in a decade. I don't even know what's on there.
I was on Roblox like I don't even remember how long.
Do I even
ago.
still have my old password?
I was on like maybe like 2 weeks ago because I was bored and I played like a random like tycoon game because those are like the things that I used to play all the time. Was like the tycoon games.
Roblox gives me real flashbacks, so no.
I used to be like a Roblox NASCAR like league racer. I was like what I did before I.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Good times.
Alright, I'm looking at Fire Emblem. There's a Three Houses roleplay! Let's go!
I'm getting on there. Oh, yes.
Fire Emblem Engage Heroes, a Fire Emblem RPG, and the description is in Portuguese. Ah, hell yeah!
Yo, can we get,
This will
can we
be
get,
good. And like the
can we get
the
Latin
banner for
translate?
it is PNG of Alir and PNG of Lin.
Yes.
That's so awesome. I'm opening this up.
Bro, I want a Fire Emblem roleplay. I need.
Camilla!
Best I can do is Tokyo Mirage Session.
Oh no! Oh no! It is entire. It's in. It's
can we get,
in.
Can we get one of the LATAM guys to translate?
Scrub, look at this!
Camilla Fatelandia. Oh no.
What?
Oi, seja bem-vindo ao Engage Heroes.
Dot. This is so awesome.
I don't speak the language.
Goodbye.
Nevermore.
Marth! Marth is here! No, his name's Math! His name is Math!
I love this tangent too.
And I'm just some random... Oh, there's fire on the ground. Oh, cool.
Okay, but like a proper FE game, right? Where it's just you have Roblox units and you play like a strategy RPG. Talking about that.
Maybe.
No.
Oh,
just
who's
play
that
duck-
in the distance? It's Ike!
No.
Oh,
just play
because
duck chess.
It's Ike! Hello, Ike. I'm gonna assume I'm saying this right. Oh, there's a Pegasus. I think I need that.
Yeah, we need
And
to
a
fly.
big old pyramid.
Okay, that's like the Somme Desert or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Oh, it takes effective damage against bows. Medium.
Oh,
Wait,
oh, okay.
Team Like versus
Team Math. Oh, this is incredible. This is incredible. This is what I needed in my life. I need to know if likes or math could win. That's amazing. Let me turn the sound on.
I gotta recover my ancient Roblox account. Hold on.
Oh, okay. That just sends you back. Hang on, I'm gonna just share my screen. Please get out of here, CC Cleaner.
This is the commentary that we need.
Alright, find me Fire Emblem games on Roblox.
The commentary to surpass JV9.
Three Houses roleplay.
Let's go! Woo!
Scrub, let's go.
Alright, I'm still in the process. I'm waiting for the email from Roblox because I forgot my password because the account's like over 10 years old. I'm digging up dirt here. Oh, that's the music.
That's the music.
Oh, there's the Celtis
Alright.
run. Oh.
Out this room. Oh, is this gonna be a recreation of the title screen?
Oh, that's cool. That's nice.
Very nice. Oh, you get to choose. All right, you already know what I'm going with.
Mission complete.